Unlock the power of work wonders in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's quite magical in its implications. Work wonders. Join us as we explore what it means, how you can use it, and why it just might add a spark to your English conversations. Work wonders is an idiomatic expression which suggests that something has a very positive effect, often surprisingly so. Imagine a situation turning around dramatically for the better. That's when this phrase comes into play. It's as if a touch of magic has transformed a scenario, and the results are nothing short of wonderful. While the exact origin of work wonders is not clear, it's been a part of English for a long time. It likely draws from stories where magic or miraculous events cause incredible things to happen. In this section, we'll delve into a brief history of the phrase and its use in literature and speech over the years. Using work wonders can be quite simple, and it fits into a variety of contexts. Whether you're talking about a new strategy at work or a home remedy for a cold, if it yields impressively positive results, it works wonders. Let's look at some examples to get a clear picture. This versatile phrase can be used in casual conversations, professional discussions, and even in written communication. In this section, we'll cover multiple scenarios where work wonders is appropriate, enhancing your ability to use it effectively in everyday English. And that's the magic unraveled. Work wonders is more than just a phrase. It's a way to express the extraordinary impact of something seemingly simple. We hope this video has worked wonders for your understanding of this charming expression. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.